We're here at Midland Elementary in Moreno Valley Unified School District, and we're excited to welcome Congressman Mark Takano to our Girls in Engineering, Math, and Science Lunch Club.
I am the co-chair of the Congressional Maker Caucus, and the caucus does a lot to educate members of Congress about the emerging advanced manufacturing technologies and a movement in our country known as the Maker Movement, getting our young people to be interested in technology and how to use technology. This is really of our national interest, and so this school was identified by someone in the private sector. And I've come to learn so much more from this visit about how this STEAM program, the GEMS program here, has engaged young girls, has reduced the disciplinary challenges that they've had, and that students are so excited with the technology program here that they're so, I think, inspired to come to school every day and learn more.
Well, we're really excited that this morning Congressman Mark Takano was here visiting the Midland Elementary School in the Moreno Valley Unified School District. It's a great thing for us that he's coming to visit, to see, and a little bit of experience of what is happening in one of our programs, particularly this program, the GEMS, Girls in Engineering, Math, and Science program. I think this is just one example of the many programs and activities that the district has put in place for the students to be exposed to STEAM areas and to be prepared for the future. But I think it is important for us that the Congressman Takano understands and sees the work that is taking place here. We have excellent teachers, we have excellent administrators, and we have amazing students that are really putting their hands into these projects and they're really learning a lot and getting prepared for the future.
I couldn't be more proud of something happening in my own congressional district, and I intend to share what I've learned about this program to my colleagues back in Washington.